Ever wondered how to magically transport your stunning Figma designs into a live, functioning Squarespace website without pulling your hair out? Well, get ready, because today we're bridging that gap and turning your creative vision into a reality, seamlessly. First things first, let's talk about preparing your Figma design for its web debut. The key here is organization. Think about your design in terms of individual sections or blocks. Just like you'd build a page in Squarespace, this means logically grouping elements that will form your header, testimonial section, contact form, and so on. Make sure your layers and frames are cleanly named. This will save you so much time later. It's like packing a suitcase. The more organized you are, the easier unpacking will be. Now, for the actual transfer. While Figma doesn't have a direct export to Squarespace button, we'll be exporting key visual assets for images, logos, and any graphical elements. Select the layer or frame you want to export. Then head to the Export section in the right-hand panel. Choose a format like PNG or JPG, and set your desired resolution. Think of these as the beautiful building blocks you'll be placing into your Squarespace canvas. Once your assets are exported, it's time to head over to Squarespace. Log into your Squarespace account and navigate to the page you want to build. You'll be using Squarespace's intuitive editor to recreate your Figma design. Start by adding sections and blocks that correspond to the organized sections in your Figma file. For example, if you designed a hero section in Figma, you'll add a new section in Squarespace and begin to populate it. When it comes to placing your exported images, it's straightforward. Click to add an image block, and you'll see the option to upload your exported files directly from your computer. Drag and drop or select your beautifully prepared images. The same process applies for logos and other graphics. You're essentially rebuilding your design element by element, using your Figma file as your blueprint. Text and typography are crucial for retaining your design's feel in your Squarespace editor. You can easily add text blocks and style them to match your Figma fonts and sizes. Most Squarespace templates offer a wide range of font options, and you can often upload custom fonts if needed when you're done. Spend some time adjusting spacing and alignment within Squarespace to perfectly match the visual flow and hierarchy you established in Figma. It's all about the details now. Finally, before you launch, always remember to check the responsiveness of your site. Squarespace is built to be responsive, but it's your job to ensure your replicated design looks fantastic on all screen sizes. Preview your site on different devices, or use Squarespace's built-in responsive preview tool. This final check ensures your creative vision translates perfectly from your Figma canvas to every user's screen. Your live website is just a few clicks away.